how to use filter method in JavaScript. So you see that we're having an array of numbers, and let's say we want to create an output which would be having the values which are greater than 3. So how we can do that? So we'll say numbers.filter, which is an inbuilt method, and this method will take a callback. So let's say we define that callback as CB, and this callback will take 3 parameters. The first one would be the individual value of the array, so which you can define as value. Second one would be the index itself of the individual value, and the third one would be the actual array itself. And this callback has to return a condition like the true or false. So what do you want to say here? That if the value is greater than 3, then only want to return true. So we can simply say return value greater than 3, and you can just simply pass that function here, and this filter method will return the output. So we can say output equals to this, and let's say if you want to print that value, let's say run the function. So you see 4 and 5.